How to add ING bank card to Google Wallet. Follow my instructions. Adding your ING bank card to Google Wallet makes payments faster and more secure. You can tap to pay in stores, shop online, and keep your card details safe. Here's how to set it up step by step. First, open the Google Wallet app on your Android phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Once inside, tap the Add to Wallet button. Select payment card and then choose credit or debit card. Use your phone's camera to scan your ING bank card or enter the details manually. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV are correct. Next, Google Wallet will send a verification request. You may get a code by SMS, email, or through the ING bank app. Enter the code to confirm it's really you. After verification, your ING card will be linked to Google Wallet. Now you can use it anywhere Google Pay is accepted, in stores, apps, or online checkouts. Just unlock your phone, hold it near the payment terminal, and the transaction is complete. And that's it. Your ING bank card is now added to Google Wallet for easy tap-and-go payments. Thanks for watching.